Number 3. Use an investment app. While you might be looking for some extra money right now, one of the best decisions you can make is to set yourself up for the future too. There are some awesome investment apps out there that your phone your phone can help you with making money from your phone today while also growing your value as you get older. Let's look at a few of the top investment apps. Betterment, built for people who want to take control of their finance. Betterment is a mix of investment and savings. You can use the app to set goals that create a customized investment plan that will help you to reach those goals. If investments give you a headache, you can set up an automatic monthly deposit and forget about accounts. This app is a great way to start investing without ever noticing the difference. It does this by automatically rounding your purchases up the next dollar and depositing that money into your investment account. You can also earn extra cash toward your account by shopping with Bitcoin's Forex partners. Robinhood has gotten a lot of media attention lately. This app is often used for more complex investments like trading stocks and funds. You will get access to fractional shares, which means you can invest for as little as $1 as opposed to buy a full share of what you would like to invest in. Number 4. Sell your data. For some people, tough for some people, the thought of installing an app on your phone and selling your data is a bit of an invasion of personal privacy. But if you don't think so, this is one of the ideal way to make money from your phone without having to do any extra work. For example, Nielsen is one of the biggest market research firms in the world. That's why they would love to see do what you do on your phone, and they are willing to pay you for it with computer and mobile panel. All you need to do is download a secure mobile app. That's it. The app will track and record how you use your phone, giving the company the valuable market research data they need. When you sign up, you will earn up to $50 in points